Hello everyone, my name is Alex and I do LeetCode questions for the interview. So I'm getting ready myself for the interview and also like putting it out there for the help for the people who wants to, pass the interview as well. So I have a lot of different solutions on my channel. I usually do it in JavaScript, and here's another one. So here today we have 387 first unique character in a string. So it has a lot of likes, 3.5, and then 100 dislikes. So it's usually, if it has a lot of likes and not that many dislikes, it represents that it's a really good problem. So let's read the problem first. Given a string S, find the first non-repeating character in it and return its index. If it doesn't exist, return -1. So basically -1 we return if every character is duplicated. Let's see. So LeetCode is an example, and they're asking us what's the first non-recurring character. So L is non-recurrent, E is recurrent, T is non-recurrent, but it's not first. So L will be the solution. And then in this example, love LeetCode, it's actually V, because L, it's recurrent or it's recurrent. V is the first non-recurrent character. So how can we solve it? So anytime when you hear, something like you have to know how many, the count of the characters, you always have to think about hash map or object in JavaScript. So that's how we're going to solve the problem. So first we're going to loop over the array of strings, of the string, and we're going to set as a key letter and how many times it appears in the string. We're going to set it as value. So it's going to be something like L1, and then E is going to be 2, and then T is going to be 1, and so on. And then what we're going to do, we're going to loop over the keys, and we say where it equals to 1, and where it equals to 1 we're going to say index of, so we'll return the position of this character. Okay, let's code it out and see how it's done in JavaScript. So let object, first we create an empty object and we call it object, and then we loop over the string let char of s. So we'll loop over a string, and for every character we're going to check, we're going to say for every character if object char, so if this key already exists, so if it doesn't exist, right? So if it doesn't exist, we'll set it to 1. So we say object char equals to 1. Else, so if we've already seen it, right? Like in the instance of E, we're gonna just increment the counter. So we're gonna say object char plus plus. Oops, sorry about that. Object char plus plus, right? So we increment it. So we say E equal to. So then we construct this type of object. Then we have to loop over the keys and see where value equal to 1. So we say for let key in object, and what are we gonna say? We're gonna say if object key equals to 1. So if this if the value of L or any character equal to 1, we're going to return, and we're going to return what? The index of it. So we say s index of E. So it basically will give us the position of first recurrent character. And if we don't find anything like that, so meaning all the characters are recurrent, we return -1. All right, let's submit and see how we've done. Okay, let's see. Okay, it's not E. Let's fix it. It's key. Sorry, let's submit again. All right, so we got 91 in speed, which is really good. And the reason why it's really good, because it's object, and object is constant time lookup of 1. And then memory usage is 68, which is also pretty good. So this is how you solve 387 first unique character in a string using the JavaScript. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe, and let me know down in the comments below which video you want me to do next. Thank you, and good luck into your interviews.